Okay, this is my presentation on Horizon Report and the trends. What is the Horizon Report? It consists of emerging technologies, and emerging technologies is like the charts, the emerging technologies and trends impacting the future of higher education. And the New Media Consortium, also known as NMC, like the project of the NMC, and they are published annually since 2002. So the Horizon reports are part of this consortium, and they are published annually. And they are mainstream use. The Horizon reports introduce 6 emerging technologies or practices that the members believe are likely to enter the mainstream use, particularly in higher education, within the 5 years following each report. And this is a higher education edition at a glance of a Horizon report, and it has the short term, midterm, and the long term, and then the significant challenges impeding higher education technology adoption, like is it solvable, difficult, or wicked, and then the important developments in technology for higher education is the time to adapt between 1 year or less, 2 to 3 years, or 4 to 5 years. Here's a video. Okay, we're going to talk about generative AI. And generative AI is artificial intelligence and is a type of artificial intelligence technology that can produce various types of content, including text, audio, images, and synthetic data or data. And generative AI's prediction is that it will be used in the classroom as a type of educational technology. And then generative AI in the classroom will be discussed in my future workplace as a teacher. It will help me personalize lessons, tutoring, restoring old materials, like such as lesson plans from future years or worksheets I've used, and content creation for the class. And this is how generative AI will look in the classrooms. So like they're using an iPad to see that part of the world. And then Chat GPA or GPT helps you like write essays or just answer any questions you have. HighFlex is another type of technology. It is instructional flexibility. It is a type of course mode that gives students the flexibility to choose between an on-site or an online instruction within the same course. And then the prediction for HighFlex technology is already in place into schools, such as where I go to school is Athens State University, and it is working really well in my opinion. And then in the classroom, for my workplace as a teacher, it could be used to allow the students to work on their schoolwork from home and still be on the same page as other students. And this is like a diagram of high-flex classrooms. So you have synchronous instruction and discussion, so like in-person group, and then you have a synchronous group, which is on computers. And then asynchronous instruction and participation is all just strictly online. In micro-credentials, learning pathways, the micro-credentials offer an attractive option for building personalized, flexible learning pathways. And the future of micro-credentialing in higher education depends on the extent to which various stakeholders can find common ground. It will be a while before it is used in the higher education though. And micro-credentials is a non-traditional learning. So in my future workplace as a teacher, it can be used by bringing legitimacy to non-traditional learning experience, such as personal enrichment. And here's another video for micro-credentials. And that concludes my presentation.